Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. In my videos, you can get different ideas about your nails. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. A nail art is an art in which we design our nails to make our hand and nail attractive and beautiful. It's official. Short nails are making a comeback in 2022. Good things come in small packages, while long nails in their various iterations, almond, coffin, and the balenaria, among others, will always be a staple of the beauty world. Shorter nails might be a trend you resigned to your younger years. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. For 2022, the nail painted with dreamy worthy designs inspired by nature will be all the rage. The company found that searches for galaxy nail art are up 115% since last year. Judy nail art is up 200%, ocean nail 500%, desert nail 105%, and the aurora nail 400%. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Which style is popular right now? Marble nails are on the top of the list when it comes to popular nail styles this year. Many clients ask for it. But besides the classic marble manicure from the last year, they come with different demand. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. After the internet age and the common use of the social media, the trend became major subculture among women. Thank you.